Hello, and welcome to one of my favorite homes on the market. I'm Beth with Lacey Bishop Real Estate, and we're at 1318 South Owyhee Street. This elegant restoration rebuild is located in the premier Depot Bench neighborhood. As if pulled from the pages of a magazine, this beautiful interior is a blend of modern and French country architecture. This stunning gourmet kitchen features a beamed cathedral ceiling, marble slab countertops, and scores of windows overlooking the backyard. The original portion of the home was taken down to the studs, and additions for a main level master suite and upper level provide generous square footage. Original hardwood floors seamlessly blend to the new, where wonderful entertaining spaces are punctuated with designer fixtures throughout. Park-like grounds surround the home with mature trees, expansive lawn, and a large deck for entertaining. This truly is a one-of-a-kind home. Call Lacey Bishop Real Estate to schedule your showing today.